What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the 3-spot randoms, so the $50 giveaways for the last 4 breaks. So we got all 3 metal inner cases and the Allure Master Case. So I'm just going to go live in the Allure thread. We're live at 4:18. We'll get a timestamp. It's 4:18. Obviously, I'm not going to do everything. So this is for metal case number 1. 1, 2, and 3. Chuck, you get the $50 giveaway for metal break number 1. Metal break number 2 is between Frankie and Andrew. 1, 2, and 3. Frankie with the $50 giveaway in break number 2. Metal break number 3, Kyle doubled up. Almost got 3 entries. He had 8 teams in this one, so good luck 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Kyle with the $50 on that one, and this is for the Allure Master Case. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Michael with the $50 giveaway there. So all those will be added to the notes. We'll go done here. Done at 4:19. It's 4:19. Congrats, guys.